If you're new in tech, I'm sure you've heard people say things like push it to GitHub or commit your code or create a branch. And I'm sure it sounds very confusing at first. So today I'm here to break it down in a simplest form. Well, let's begin with the main question. What is Git and what is GitHub? Git is a version control that helps you track changes in your project over time. If you're building something, maybe a website, an app, a script, or even configuration files, Git helps you to keep a history of what changed, when it changed, and sometimes even why it changed. Now, let's talk about GitHub. GitHub is different from Git. If Git is a tool that tracks your changes, then GitHub is the online platform where you can store and share your Git projects. One of the easiest ways to understand this is Git is like writing and saving your work in a notebook, and GitHub is like uploading that notebook to an online shelf where other people can also see it, contribute to it, or help you manage it. Now, let's quickly go through a few Git words you hear a lot as a beginner. One is a repository or repo. A repository or a repo is basically your project folder that Git is tracking. So when people say create a repo, they just mean create a place where your project and its history can live. So commit. A commit is like saving a checkpoint of your work. So every time you make meaningful changes, you can create a commit to record that version of your project. Think of a commit like saying, okay, this is where I am right now, save this version. And the third thing that I want you to understand about Git and GitHub is push. Push means sending your local work from your computer to GitHub. And pull. Pull is the opposite. It means bringing changes from GitHub down to your local computer. And then we also have a branch. A branch is like a separate line of work inside your project that it allows you to work on something new without affecting the main version immediately. So, to summarize, Git helps you track and manage changes in your project. GitHub helps you store and share that project online, and together they become one of the most important tools you use in your tech journey. That's it for today, and I hope this helped make Git and GitHub feel a lot less confusing and a lot more practical. Thank you. Bye.